Texas Live on KETK, a couple of Elvis Presley movies, and Linda Davis.
Ooh, I'm sure that's got you excited, and those are just some of the big events coming to Liberty Hall this month. Ann Payne is here to tell us all about it. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Now, you guys were really pretty busy around the holidays, and now it seems like it's just continually busy for you guys.
Yes. Thank goodness people are coming and want more and more, and then a lot of artists are contacting me. They want to come to Tyler, and they've heard about the Liberty, and we treat them really nice and have a good time, so they're excited about coming here. So I have a lot of things in the work for the next year, but this month we're going to have Elvis Presley, which is kind of a big deal.
Oh yeah, kind of a big deal. Yes, exciting.
Even though he's passed on, he's still with us.
Yes.
So we're going to be showing 3 Elvis movies that were voted on by our Facebook friends and fans. Sometimes I put it out there and ask people, what do you want to see, because it's hard to come up with stuff. I mean, I've been doing this starting on my 4th year, so I need help from the public. So check us out on Facebook. We're going to show Blue Hawaii this Thursday night at 7 o'clock. Our movies are every Thursday night. We're going to show King Creole. I love Blue Hawaii too. I cannot wait to see that one again. If you haven't seen it, you need to really see it because he's so cute. And it's all about surfing in Hawaii and makes you just want to be there, especially since it's so cold here.
Oh, I know, and it's projected to be a little bit wintry
dream
next
of better
weekend.
conditions.
Yes,
exactly. Just go see the movie, yeah.
And then so King Creole on the next Thursday, and then the following Thursday will be Viva Las Vegas, and that one was a big vote getter on Facebook because Anne Margaret is in that film, and she's been here in Tyler before, and that was a huge big thing that is like a historical moment in Tyler, Texas, that Anne Margaret came here. So everybody loves her. She's so beautiful. So those are our Elvis movies to say happy birthday to the King.
Yes.
And then this Friday night we have Linda Davis, Lang Scott, and Bill White in concert. And Linda Davis and Lang Scott, people may or may not know, are the parents of Hillary Scott, who is the lead singer of Lady Antebellum.
Oh, I did not know that.
I know.
That's kind of a cool
Something
connection.
interesting, yes. And Hillary grew up, you know, with music in her family and listening to them perform, and she has followed in their footsteps. But Linda Davis is, all 3 of them are so talented. It's like a little Branson performance right here and coming to Tyler, Texas, and Nashville. I mean, it's just going to be an incredible evening. She has an amazing voice. She is such a sweet, sweet person, and they put on an incredible show. They were here once before, and this is their 2nd performance in Tyler.
Yeah, and that's a great thing about Liberty Hall. I mean, a very intimate performance. And
yes.
You don't have to travel far, you know, it's just down the street. So, again, lots of events going on. Best way to keep in contact, Facebook, you think?
Facebook, I would look up Liberty Hall on Facebook.
Right.
Our website, www.libertytyler.com, is where you get tickets and find out all of our events coming up. We do have everything up through the end of February right now, so you can see and make your plans. But come out, come downtown. It's lots of fun. Love to have volunteers. If anyone's interested in volunteering, you can contact me through our website. So either way, but just come out. Come out once. If you like it, you can come out again. If not, I won't ask.
All right, yes, thank you so much. Great place to be. Thanks, Ann.
Thanks.
We'll be right back.